There is a gentler rhythm to living in the center of a stone farmhouse. This timeless and calming location brings the spirit of the outdoors indoors, where worn wood and rough stones converge to narrate tales of previous seasons. The golden tones of the morning and the peaceful shadows of the evening seem to be captured in every wall and corner, giving each moment a cozy, comforting appeal. Every detail counts in these conditions. The weathered texture of the heavy timbers overhead serves as a reminder of their strength and longevity, giving the impression of shelter. Every step is grounded in history by the soft creak of wooden floors beneath your feet. The palette of nature is revealed here, with subdued grays, rich earth tones, and calming creams. The farmhouse kitchen, which is frequently the center of attention, appeals to its rustic charm. Herbs dangle from beams, copper pots sparkle in the gentle light, and the aroma of freshly baked bread permeates the space. Every area encourages a relaxed way of life, where meals are shared and tales are told. The dining room has stories of its own. Under a plain chandelier, a long oak table bears the marks of years of shared meals. It's a space designed for meaningful encounters, complete with a farmhouse bench and a variety of seats. Meals are more than just a means of subsistence here. They are social gatherings. The farmhouse bedrooms provide a tranquil haven. Rustic beds are covered with linen and wool blankets, and windows let in gentle light that begs for relaxation. Every room serves as a peaceful haven for introspection and a haven from the outside world. A stone courtyard radiates classic charm. Fragrant blossoms are stirred by soft breezes, and sun-dappled walls encircle lush foliage. Each foot is cradled by weathered cobblestones, which invite tranquil moments amidst the gentle whispers of nature and the warm embrace of the Mediterranean. More than just a place to live, such a home serves as a haven, a backdrop for the small joys in life, and a reminder to cherish each moment. It endures over the years and seasons, elegantly weathered but always hospitable. Here, in the soft embrace of wood and stone, we discover the beauty of life's timeless, steady rhythms.